Hello friends, welcome all of you in my channel SNT Power Vision. In this lecture now we want to learn how we can merge query and in what situation we would even want to do this regarding our store cost. So first question here is what is the merge query? A merge query creates a new query from two existing query. One query result contains all columns from a primary table with one column serving as a single column containing relationship to a secondary table. So here these are two tables here, store cities and store construction cost here. Now we want to get the dot to get some additional data that is related to our store here. And this should display the costs that are related to building or construction those store here. So we'll see here how it works here. So go to the data view here. Here just to save our time we have already stored means import both the table here and for done the transformation. Now we can see here this is store cities. We have the store ID, store type, store size, city, state, latitude, longitude information here. Now go to the store construction cost. Here we have the store ID and other building cost, land cost, other related cost here. So only common column is the store ID here. Apart from that, there is no column here. So we cannot go for the append query here. Why? Because append query require both the tables should have same number of column, same column name as well as same data means same data type here. But here nothing is like that. So we'll go for the merge query. So we'll see how it works. So go to the transform data. Now go to the merge query. Here option is merge query as new. We'll select that option. Now select store cities column here, store cities table here. After the second table is the store construction cost here. So since common column name is the store ID between both tables, we'll select that. Now join kind. Here most commonly use the left outer. Left outer if you see here all from first matching from second here. There are other options also like right outer, full outer, inner, left, right here. But here as per the requirement our we will select left outer call. Here means all from the first are matching from the second. Now click on OK. So we have merged here. So this is our store ID. Since we have already store ID in the left side, so we don't want this. We want only cost. So for all the store ID, store type ID, store size, here we have the cost data which I wanted to get it from other table here. Now if you see the columns of column name here, having combination of both the table like store construction cost, building cost. We want to change name of this column, we can do it here. Now all the changes that are getting loaded here. Now go to the newly merged table created here. Select rename here. So in this way we can rename the column here. Now we can see the newly created column merge. So for the given store ID we have find the cost. So this is all about how to merge query.